Hey, it's James Bill here from JamesBillOfficial.com, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button where you got to learn more about making money online. And for those of you that's been following me now for a little bit, just to tell you what's going on, I've been grinding here lately in the lab, working on some new products. I'm so proud about that and excited, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about that later on. I'm going to bring that to you some more videos. But for now, I want to come on here and address something I've seen. I call it a newbie-friendly tip. I saw someone approaching me with this here on Facebook, guys, and I got to talk to them about it. But I wanted to come on here and make this video so I can share it with the masses. The tip of the day: you never want to send a link to anyone unless they ask for it. This is spamming, guys. Don't do that. Please do not do that. You don't want to spam anyone. You want to have a conversation, okay? If it's someone you think it may be a prospect, that's what we're on here for. It's understandable. But what you want to do is have a conversation with them. Find out their pains, their struggles. How can your offer, service, or product help them? And then you switch into the conversation of how you can help them. Okay? So that's how you do that. Just wanted to share that with you today. Please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to know some more important tips, strategies, and methods, I just opened a brand new Facebook group where I'm going to do a 3-day challenge showing you the ins and outs about attracting more people to you, recruiting quality prospects, and generating more leads, guys. So please go ahead and hit on that link below, and I'll see you on the next video.